Thank
I
you
would
for coming.
say I would say the conversational part of HubSpot's gotten pretty legit. We're putting chat on pretty much every page on our site these days. Humans are inherently lazy. They don't want to click around your site and figure your nav out. They just want to go and ask. And so the conversion rates are really, really good on those. People just expect it now on your site. You can build a pretty sophisticated bot now on HubSpot as well. This is a very odd thing, but when we put a bot on a page versus a human on the page, this blows my mind. Humans would rather talk to a bot than a human, like by a lot. And so we lead with the bot and we bring the human in later. And the conversion rates are very, very, very high on that. And I just think that's the way the world works. And then video, I think, is huge. Like, all your sales reps should not be cold calling ever again. I think it's just a waste of time. Even cold email. If you want a cold email, do your research and send like a killer video from within HubSpot that works. And then when given a choice, and we've A/B tested this of most humans, 80% of humans would prefer video over text. And so we're leaning hard towards video, and gosh, it converts really well. I would say some very underrated things. I'm kind of rambling, but some underrated things are going on. Search engine optimization still works insanely well. If you create remarkable, great content and you get links into it, like, I think of assets. Like HubSpot, as the CEO, I have assets on my financial assets, my balance sheet. I have cash, I have inventory, I have all kinds of assets. As a marketer, let's say, you've got assets too. You get links into your website, you get social media followers, you get pages on your site, all that stuff. The strategy used to be, the strategy that worked marvelously well when we first met, would just write any old crap about your company and product on your blog, and you'd get found. The internet get clogged with that crap. And it doesn't work anymore. Google's very smart, and Google gets smarter every day. What does work is really high quality content. And that high quality content can come through different ways. Blogs still work really well. But if your blog before was, I'm going to spend a half hour a day for 7 weeks and create 7 blog articles a week, now it should be, I'm going to spend 3.5 hours on that one blog article and make it perfect, make it awesome. And then people will link to it, and it'll spread in social, and it'll really work. If I were a marketer today, I would create a channel on YouTube and just, I don't know what your product is, but think whatever your product is, get up on the whiteboard and start talking about your product, or have a PowerPoint and do a weekly video cast on YouTube. And then I would think about a podcast. Podcasts aren't going anywhere. People love their podcasts, and podcasts are doing very well in general categories like business and technology. But let's say you're selling left-handed monkey wrenches. There's no left-handed monkey wrench podcasts out there. You need your own left-handed monkey wrench podcast. So I would just think about quality over quantity. I would think about video and audio almost over text these days. And it's easy to do it. Like, you kind of think, oh man, podcast, that sounds hard. It's not hard to do. Same with the video. Like, it doesn't cost money. It's about time. I would think about it a little bit like that.